Have you ever wondered how many eggs leave your farm that could have been sorted better or priced higher if you had more control? Introducing the SANOVO Farm Intelligence Unit. This unit gives you that control. Installed right in front of your farm packer, it detects cracks, leakers, dirt, and size variations in real time, sorting eggs by quality and size before they're packed. This helps you optimize batches, reduce waste, and gives you data on flock performance so you can make smarter decisions. Sorted out eggs are redirected through exit belts for reprocessing or handled however your operation requires. The Farm Intelligence Unit features a leaker drop gate and 2 programmable off-grade exits, one of them optional. As eggs arrive at the unit, they gently rotate on rollers, while 9 high-resolution cameras positioned above the egg flow scan each egg from multiple angles. The system captures up to 16 images per egg and analyzes them instantly using deep learning algorithms. Flashing lights beneath the rollers ensure ideal conditions for detection. Cracks are classified into 5 categories. Dirt is identified through dynamic lighting, and egg volume is measured to determine size. Once scanned, sorting begins immediately. As eggs exit the unit, leakers are dropped first into a separate bin. Eggs are categorized as either leakers or non-leakers, with the option to treat severely cracked eggs as leakers. Next, cracked, off-size, or otherwise off-grade eggs are sorted out through the side exits. Cracks are classified into 5 categories: closed, impact, open, leaker, and pinhole. The outlet setup is flexible, shelves or conveyor belts, and can be tailored to fit any layout. Eggs that pass inspection continue toward the farm packer, and the unit is fully compatible with other brands of farm packer, not just SANOVO. The entire system is downwashable, and even the under-roller lights can be removed and cleaned without tools. From the HMI, the user can access all relevant production data at a glance. You can easily adjust what qualifies as A-grade and what should be sorted out, simply by moving sliders. And if a specific market allows smaller or larger eggs, those size thresholds can be adjusted on the fly. You already know your flock. Now it's time to know your eggs. Choose the SANOVO Farm Intelligence Unit for unmatched control.